In today's fast-paced world, effective project management is no longer a luxury but a necessity for individuals, teams, and organizations of all sizes. The ability to organize tasks, collaborate seamlessly, and track progress efficiently can be the key differentiator between success and missed opportunities. This is where project management tools like Smartsheet come into play, offering a powerful platform to streamline workflows and boost productivity. For those new to project management software or simply exploring different options, the question of cost often arises. Specifically, many wonder, how long can I use Smartsheet for free? This is a crucial consideration, as it allows potential users to experience the platform's capabilities firsthand before committing to a paid subscription. Let's delve into the details of Smartsheet's free trial and what you can expect during this period. The Smartsheet free trial, a gateway to enhanced productivity. Smartsheet offers a 30-day free trial for new users. This trial period provides full access to most of the features available in their standard paid plans. Think of it as an all-access pass to explore the platform's core functionalities and determine if it aligns with your project management needs. During these 30 days, you can create and manage multiple sheets. Smartsheet's fundamental building block is the sheet, a dynamic grid-based interface that resembles a spreadsheet but with enhanced capabilities. You can create various types of sheets to track tasks, manage projects, collect data through forms, and more. Collaborate with team members. Invite colleagues or stakeholders to collaborate on your sheets in real time. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, share files, and have discussions directly within the platform, fostering seamless teamwork. Utilize different views. Smartsheet offers various ways to visualize your data beyond the traditional grid view. You can switch to Gantt charts to track project timelines, calendar views to manage deadlines, and card views, Kanban style, to manage workflows visually. Automate workflows. One of Smartsheet's powerful features is its automation capabilities. During the trial, you can experiment with setting up automated alerts, reminders, update requests, and even multi-step workflows to streamline repetitive tasks and ensure timely follow-ups. Integrate with other tools. Smartsheet integrates with a wide range of popular business applications, such as Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, Slack, and more. You can explore these integrations during the trial to see how Smartsheet can fit into your existing technology ecosystem. Access templates. Smartsheet provides a library of pre-built templates for various project types and industries. You can leverage these templates to quickly get started without having to build everything from scratch. Utilize forms for data collection. Create customizable forms to collect information from internal or external stakeholders, and the data will automatically populate your Smartsheet. Generate basic reports and dashboards. While the more advanced reporting and dashboarding features might be limited in the trial, you can still get a feel for how Smartsheet can help you visualize project progress and key metrics. What happens after the 30-day free trial? Once the 30-day free trial period concludes, your access to Smartsheet will be suspended. To continue using the platform and access the sheets and data you created during the trial, you will need to subscribe to one of Smartsheet's paid plans. It's important to note that during the free trial, you are typically not locked into a specific paid plan. This allows you to explore the full breadth of features available in the standard tiers, and then choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget when you decide to subscribe. Maximizing your Smartsheet free trial. To make the most of your 30-day Smartsheet free trial, consider the following. Define your goals. Before starting the trial, identify the specific project management challenges you're hoping to address with Smartsheet. This will help you focus your exploration on the features that are most relevant to your needs. Experiment with different features. Don't be afraid to try out various functionalities, such as different views, automation rules, and integrations. This will give you a comprehensive understanding of what Smartsheet can do. Involve your team. If you plan to use Smartsheet with a team, invite them to participate in the trial. This will allow everyone to experience the platform and provide valuable feedback. Utilize Smartsheet's resources. Smartsheet offers a wealth of resources, including help articles, tutorials, and webinars. Take advantage of these resources to learn how to use the platform effectively. Consider your long-term needs. While exploring the features, Think about how Smartsheet could scale with your future project management requirements. Beyond the free trial, understanding Smartsheet's paid plans. After the free trial, Smartsheet offers various subscription plans tailored to different user needs and team sizes. These plans typically vary in terms of the number of users, the features included, and the level of support provided. Understanding the different paid plans will help you make an informed decision when the trial period ends. Common features that become more robust or available in higher-tier paid plans include advanced reporting and dashboards. Create more sophisticated visualizations and gain deeper insights into your project data. Resource management. Effectively allocate and track team members' availability and workload. Proofing. Streamline the review and approval process for creative assets. Work apps. Build no-code or low-code applications on top of your Smartsheet data to automate processes and improve workflows. Premium support. Access dedicated support channels and faster response times.